Hi, welcome to the CUTCO family. My name is John Israel, independent distributor for CUTCO Cutlery. You're watching this video because recently you were given CUTCO as a closing gift from either your realtor or lender. And we wanted to take a second to explain a little bit about what the gift is, what you were given, and how to use it. So if you haven't heard of CUTCO, just so you know, we are the #1 selling brand of kitchen cutlery in North America. In fact, all of our kitchen products are American made and have been so since the day we started business. So let's take a second and show you what gift is that you were given and how to use it correctly so you have the best experience. So the gift you've been given is a Santoku trimmer. And this is one of our top selling pieces, and there are a variety of uses for it. Let me show you a couple. Such as cutting tomatoes, oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits. And the best part about our product isn't necessarily the sharpness of it, it's really how we stand behind it with our forever guarantee, which means if anything ever happens to the product, if it gets damaged, chips, melts, or breaks, we will fix or replace that product for free forever. Also, if they ever go dull or when they go dull, we will guarantee to resharpen them for free whenever you want. You can either request a service tech to come out to your house and sharpen them for free, or you can mail them back to our factory in Olean, New York. We'll take care of it there as well. So that's it. We hope you enjoy your CUTCO. You're gonna love using these things forever and ever. If there's anything that we can do to be of service to you or your experience, make sure to contact me directly. My website and my email are on the back of the card that you had inside the gift. So that's it. Have an amazing day, guys. Don't forget, stay sharp.